So look, a lot of you guys are coming through on these, and like, let's say I have a print statement here, and this is version 1, and it says, wow, this is like the first version of my software, right? I think I spelled awesome right. So I run this, right? And I compile. What do I do? Oh, come on. All right. All right, so if I go through here and then I run this, I compiled, and then I execute. So a lot of what's happening is this. So I'll make some changes. And then I will only execute. And it'll still say version 1 is awesome. And people are like, hey, I made all these changes to my file. What do I do? What happens is I didn't recompile. Remember that all your information from your changes gets stored in this class file once you compile, right? But when you run, it doesn't look at the changes you made here. It looks at the class file. So if you didn't recompile, none of those changes are going to show up in your new execution. So what you want to do is compile first and then re-execute, right? But I built this into into the version of Notepad that you guys have. I have compile and execute in one step. All you have to do is change your name again. That way I can do this. And then I can also make changes here. Then there's nothing to think about, right? I don't have to remember if I compiled or not because I have it all in one step.